Hi everyone. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to make your Instagram account private if you have a business. Please subscribe to the channel. Be sure to watch this video to the end. Put likes. Let's get started. To do that, we need to go to Instagram. Next, we need to open my profile with you. And as you can see, my account is for business. I have statistics here, where I can see how many people clicked on the profile, what people like, and so on. But if I want to close my account and make it private, I have to go here. I click on the three bars in the upper right corner, then Settings and Privacy. Here, click on Business and Ad Tools, then click on Switch Account Type, and click Switch to Personal Account. Next, click Switch to Personal Account again. Wait literally 510 seconds. Our account will switch from business to personal. Then go in. As you can see, we switched. Now to make it private, we click on the three bars again, Settings and Privacy. Scroll to the bottom and click Account Privacy. Now click Private Account and check the box and click here. And then our account becomes private. In our Instagram profile, subscribe to the channel. Like it if you like this video. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.